So many Australians find themselves living what I like to call a photo finish lifestyle, where we are rushing from one thing to another and everything is a photo finish. We just manage to drop the kids off at school in time. We just manage to pick up the dry cleaning in time. We just manage to get dinner on the table in time. And if you're a mortgage and finance broker, we just manage to get the documents for an application in on time. And sometimes lateness is part of that human condition. But if you are late for a repayment, it is very important not to keep that a secret. If you find yourself likely to be late in making any repayments, it is vital to inform the credit provider earlier and often. They have processes in place to help you if you are in a situation where you will be late on your repayments. Letting it run and run and run is not a good option. Reach out to your credit provider earlier if you are going to be late. If you would like to learn more about how late repayments may affect your credit score, please reach out to the team here at Credit Fix Solutions. We have education material designed to help you. Talk soon.